Viewers, this hour, the focus is on the Delhi 10/11 blast. We'll take you through a big revelation that's now coming to the forefront in the very blast probe, which is only intensifying with each passing day. Bomber Umar's phone has now revealed some dark secrets. Umar brainwashed and radicalized people in Haryana. Umar met, befriended people on social media. The probe has also come out to reveal that Umar tried to build a Jaish-e-Mohammed network in India, which was, again, being anticipated by all the agencies that have been investigating the matter. But now there are evidences coming to the forefront to back those very not just claims, but things that were being anticipated so far. Terrorist Umar's mobile phone has come out to reveal these information, how he was trying to build this network by brainwashing people in Haryana and befriending people on social media across the country and engaged in radicalizing those very people he was connecting with. Now, the agency has received information about several people with whom Umar was in contact and radicalizing them. Terrorist Umar was trying to establish a large network of the Jaish-e-Mohammed sleeper cells. Remember, because that is the very network, the web of terror that we also have been constantly keeping a track of as investigative agencies have slowly been getting to the clues, the missing pieces now being found out as more developments unravel. Shreya Chatterjee joins me on the broadcast as we bring to you this very breaking news of this hour. Shreya, a very good afternoon to you. Let us understand, with each passing day, there is more and more evidence coming to the forefront in terms of how these few doctors, especially headed by Umar, were trying to establish a wider terror nexus within the country. Now, these evidences that have come to the forefront show how he was trying to befriend people on social media and try to radicalize them, and even people in Haryana for that matter. What are some more details you're gathering on this very aspect?
Well, Shreya, this is the investigation that's now pertaining based on the dump data of Umarul Nabi, the terrorist who blew up the I-20 car on the unfortunate evening of the 10th of November. Now, what is really surfacing is that this man was actually using the social media as a domain to radicalize more and more individuals, young individuals. The reason that these people were attracted to him, because he was obviously a qualified doctor who was also into the profession of teaching. So he was basically misusing his position to a platform himself before these people, and then subsequently these were young people that he'd actually made a part of a larger group. It's still unraveling that where all these people are spread right now. As of now, the names of Haryana have surfaced. The reason so, because, you know, he's also frequented Haryana quite some time. There are medical colleges located in the area of New Mewat where there are students in large numbers who also come from the Kashmir fraternity. So there is also a mixing of individuals, because of which Umar also presented his identity in a manner that he could actually come across as someone who could befriend these people in the first place. Simultaneously, he carried out his radicalization operations through Telegram groups, because it was not usually through WhatsApp alone. He connected them with them WhatsApp, but he also did move on to different other social media apps, which includes Telegram and Session. This is what the investigations are right now pertaining. We're also being told that these individuals pertain to the areas beyond Haryana. So more and more dumb data as it is being unearthed by the investigators, more things are surfacing, but one thing is established: he did try to radicalize more people, because the plan was humongous of multiple serial blasts. So definitely he needed more members in his module. That's the reason he was carrying out this radicalization operation.
Right, Shreya, absolutely. Concerning details coming to the forefront at this given point, and thank you for bringing us up to date on that very front. And